guys, welcome back to Alisa channel again. So let's continue our 7-day and 7 hairstyle. My day 4 hairstyle, I take some part of the hair near the face towards the top. So slowly twist it, and as you twist, keep adding hair as you do, and then pin it when you're ready. We will use only one pin, and the way I do it is to place your pin on the part that you like to secure, flip it to opposite side, and push it in gently. Repeat to all part of the hair. For me, I divide it into 4 sections. And that's done. Very nice and simple. My day 5 hairstyle, I'm going to add on to what I just done. Bring all the hair to the side, start twisting them like a rope. My day 6, I tie all the hair from the side, split it into half, and then use my finger to grab the part that's being tied right inside. Leave few inches below, tie it again and repeat the same process, creating a loop. If your hair is much shorter than mine, might need to do it 2 times. Adjust and pull it and make it a bigger twist until you're content. Don't be afraid if it's not neat, that is the whole idea. This style is not just good looking, but very practical. Or I could have it for double side for the same hairstyle. Thank you everyone, hope you love this. Like and share and subscribe for more, and have a great week. Bye!